Plink, 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 I'm Magic Toopy. Plink, you're Magic Binoo. And you are Magic You. Plink, get ready. Plink. Look, Magic Binoo, a tricycle. I love tricycle handlebars and tricycle seats and tricycle wheels. Oh, I love tricycles so much. That's so funny. Another tricycle for me. Wait up, Magic Binoo. This tricycle doesn't work. What's wrong with this tricycle? Oh, right! The tricycle has a boot for a wheel. Well, I can fix that. Blink. There. Now the tricycle is perfect. No? What's wrong now? Oh, yes! There is a present instead of a seat. Let's fix it. Blink. There we go. Now the tricycle is all fixed and... No? Now what's the matter? There is a crocodile instead of handlebars. I'd better change it. Blink. There. One fabulous tricycle with tricycle wheels, a tricycle seat, and tricycle handlebars. Whee! Look at me! This tricycle is amazing! Just like you. See you next time, Magic You. Blink.